Welcome to the next part of the video. In the last video we had seen that without the outliers we had gotten a map of 108%. In this video I am going to show you a very simple example and very simple tactics how we can significantly improve our accuracies. So if I show you, in this data we had done the same thing. We had imported the data set, checked for missing values. In the previous videos, all the things we have done, we have removed outliers. Now it's a very small tactics what I'm going to show you, but significantly it's going to increase my accuracies. That is, over here when I was doing the random split, the trend test split, you can see there is something called random state. The default value is none, but this time I am going to put a random state. It is a seed number through which the results can be reproducible. So if I am using the random state, suppose 1 2 3, you can give any number. Okay, 1 2 3, any number. So if you use this one, you will be also getting exactly the same values. Okay, now if I execute it and run the linear regression and check for the accuracy, see, map has significantly come down to 41%. So do you understand, from 136 to 118 to 41% of map using the random state. Alright, so in the next video we will see how we can further bring it down. Thank you so much for watching our video. Stay tuned for the next round of video.